Hello everyone, hope you all doing fine. In the last video, we have seen the 6th chapter of Ashtanga Hridaya Sutrasthana. Today we will be continuing the same. I am Dr. Kavya Vasudev from Ayush Samveda, a smart way to Ayurveda. Please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell button for continuous updates in Samhita. In the last video, we have seen the Shukadhanya Varga from Annaswarupa Vijnaniya Adhyaya. If you have not watched those, please click the I button to access them. Today we will be moving with the same chapter, moving with Shimbhi Dhanya. The Shimbhi Dhanya are those which are having the pods or legumes. And the Shimbhi Dhanya discussed in this chapter are Mudga, Athaki, Masura, Kalaya, Rajamasha, Kulatha, Nishpava, Masha, Tila, Uma and Kusumbha. Moving with the general properties of Shimbhi Dhanya. Atha Shimbhi Dhanya Vargaha Mudga Athaki Masuradi Shimbhi Dhanyam Vibandhakrit Kashayam Swadu Sangrahi Katupagam Himam Lakhu Medaha Shleshmasra Pitteshu Hitam Lepopa Sekayoho. Atha Shimbhi Dhanya Vargaha Mudga Adaki Masura Adi Shimbhi Dhanyam Vibandhakrit Kashaya Swadu Sangrahi Katu Pagam Himam Lakhu Medaha Shleshma Asra Pitteshu Hitam Lepa Upasekeyoho. Atha Shimbhi Dhanya Vargaha Mudga Adaki Masura Adi Shimbhi Dhanyam Vibandhakrit Kashayam Swadu Sangrahi Katupagam Himam Lakhu Medaha Shleshma Asrapitteshu Hitam Lepa Upasekeyoho. The properties of Shimbhi Dhanya. The Mudga is green gram, Athagi is tur dal, and Masura is lentil, and they are having Kashaya and Madhura Rasa, Katu Vipaga, Lakhu in Guna, that is easy to digest, and Hima, that is Shita Virya. They causes Vibandha, that is blockage of the srotasis, and it is Sangrahi, that is produces constipation, and Meda Shleshma Asra Pitteshu Hitam, that is good for reducing the Meda, Shleshma, Rekta and Pitta. And it is Lepa Upaseka, that is used for Lepa, that is paste like application externally, and Upaseka or Seka, a type of Svedana Karma by pouring the liquid over the body. Varo atra mudgo alpachalaha kalayastu ativatalaha rajamasho anilakaro ruksho bahushakrat guruhu. Varaha atra mudga alpachalaha kalayaha tu ativatalaha rajamasha anilakaraha rukshaha bahushakrat guruhu. Varaha atra mudga alpachalaha kalayaha tu ativatalaha rajamasha anilakaraha rukshaha bahushakrat guruhu. Mudga or the green gram is considered as Vara, that is best among these Shimbhi Dhanya, and it is Alpachala, that is it increases a little bit of Vata dosha only. And Kalaya, the Indian butter bean, is considered as Ativatala, that is it increases a lot of Vata dosha. And Rajamasha is considered as Anilakara, that is increases the Vata dosha. It is Ruksha, that is dry. It is Bahushakrit, that increases a lot of ficus or Shakrit. And it is Guru, that is difficult to digest. Moving with the Kulatha. Ushnaha Kulathaha Pake Amla Shukrashma Shwasa Pinasan Kasarsha Kaphavadamsha Ghnandi Pittasradaha Param. Ushnaha Kulathaha Pakaha Amlaha Shukra Ashma Shwasa Pinasan Kasa Arsha Kapha Vataha Cha Khnanti Pitta Asradaha Param. Ushnaha Kulathaha Paga Amlaha Shukra Ashma Shwasa Pinasan Kasa Arsha Kapha Vadaha Cha Khnanti Pitta Asradaha Param. The Kulatha or hose gram is having the properties such as Ushna, that is Ushnavirya, Pake Amlaha, that is Amla Vipaga, Kapha Vadaha Khnanti, that is it reduces Kapha and Vada dosha, and Pitta Asrataha Param, and it is good for Pitta and Rekta conditions. And it is good for improving the Shukradhadu in Ashma or Ashmeri, that is urinary calculi, Shwasa, that is breathing difficulty, Pinasa, rhinitis, Kasa, cough, and Arsha, that is hemorrhoids. निष्पाव निष्पावो वादपित्तास्त्र स्तन्यमूत्रकरो गुरुः सरो विदाहि दृक् शुक्र कफशोष विशापः निष्पाव वादपित्त अस्त्र स्तन्य मूत्रकर गुरुः सरः विदाहि दृक् शुक्र कफ शोष विशापः निष्पाव वादपित्त अस्त्र स्तन्य मूत्रकरः गुरुः सरः विदाहि दृक् शुक्र कफ शोष विशापः Nishpava or the flat bean is having the properties such as Guru, that is difficult to digest, Sara, laxative, and Vidahi, that is produces Daha or burning sensation, and it is also increasing Vada, Pitta and Rekta, and Stanya and Mutra, and it reduces, or it is not good for Drik or eyes, and it is not good for Shukra, Kapha and Shosha, Vishapaha, that is it reduces Shukra Dhadu, Kapha dosha, and it is good in Shosha and Visha conditions. Masha, that is black gram. Mashaha snigdho belashleshma malapittakaraha saraha gurushno anilaha swaduhu shukravriddhi virekakrit. Mashaha snigdha bela shleshma mala pittakaraha saraha gurushna anilaha swadu shukra vriddhi virekakrit. Mashaha snigdha bela shleshma mala pittakaraha saraha guru ushna anilaha swaduhu shukra vriddhi virekakrit. The properties of Masha are, it is Swadu or Madhura Rasa, it is having Snigdha Guna and Guru Guna, that is heavy to digest and anxious, Ushna Virya, and it is Sara, that is laxative, and Bala Shleshma Mala Pitta Karaha, it increases Bala, that is strength, Shleshma, Kapha Mala and Pitta, and Anilaha, it reduces the Vata dosha and it helps in increasing the Shukra Vriddhi or increasing the Shukra, and Virekakrit, it helps as laxative. Bhalani Mashavad Vidyat Kakantola Atmaguptayoho. Bhalani Mashavad Vidyat Kakantola Atmaguptayoho. Bhalani Mashavat Vidyat Kakantola Atmaguptayoho. The fruits of Kakontola and Atmagupta possess similar properties to that of Masha. Moving with the properties of Tila or sesame seeds. Ushnastvachyo himaha sparsha Kesho balyastilo guruhu alpamutraha kaduhu page medhakni kapapittakrit. Ushnaha tvachyaha himaha sparsha kesha balya tilaha guruhu alpamutraha katuhu pagaha medha akni kapha pittakrit. Ushnaha tvachyaha himasparsha kesha balya tila guruhu alpamutraha katuhu pagaha medha akni kapha pittakrit. The properties of Tila are, it is Ushna Virya, Himasparsha, that is called Shita in potency, or while touching it is Shita, though it is Ushna Virya. It is Guru, that is heavy to digest, and Katu Vipaka. It is Tvachya, that is good for the skin conditions or skin, and Kesha, or good for the hair growth, or helps in improving the hair growth, and Balya improves the strength. And it is having the properties such as Alpamutra, that is it produces only Alpamutra, or it can reduce the quantity of Mutra, and Medha, Agni, Kapha, Pittakrit. It increases Medha, that is intellect, Agni, that is Jadaragni, Kapha and Pitta dosha. Uma and Kusumba. Snigdhoma svadutiktoshna kapapittakari guruhu drikshukra kadu page tadvat bijam kusumbajam. Snigdhaha uma swadu tikta ushna kapha pittakari guruhu drik shukrahrit kaduhu paga tadvat bijam kusumbajam. Snigdhaha uma swadu tikta ushna kapha pittakari guruhu drik shukrahrit kadu paga tadvat bijam kusumbajam. The properties of Uma and Kusumba are, it is Swadu and Tiktarasa, Katu Vipaka, Ushnavirya, Snigdha and Guru Guna. And it is having the properties such as Kapha Pitta Kari, that is it increases Kapha and Pitta dosha, and Drik Shukrahrit, it reduces the Shukra Dhadu, and also it is not good for the Drik or vision. Mashu atra sarveshu avaro yavagaha shukajeshu cha. माश अत्र सर्वेषु अवर यवकः शूकजेषु च माश अत्र सर्वेषु अवर यवकः शूकजेषु च Among the all the food grains or the proper anna, the masha is considered as the inferior variety, and especially in shimbidhanya and also in sarveshu, all the ahara varga, and yavaka is considered as the inferior variety among the shunya dhanya. नवम धान्यम अभिष्यन्ति लघु संवत्सरोषितं शीघ्रजन्म तथा सूप्यं निस्तुषं युक्तिर्भजनम् इति शिम्बीधान्यवर्गः नवम धान्यम अभिष्यन्ति लघु संवत्सरोषितं शीघ्रजन्म तथा सूप्यं निस्तुषं युक्तिः भर्जितम् इति शिम्बीधान्यवर्गः नवम धान्यम अभिष्यन्ति लघु संवत्सरोषितं शीघ्रजन्म तथा सूप्यं निस्तुषं युक्तिः भर्जितम् इति शिम्बीधान्यवर्गः. The fresh grains or just harvested grains are having the property that is abhishanti, that is increases the secretion of the tissues and block them, and samvalsaroshitam, if the grains have been kept for 1 year or more than 1 year, they are having the property that is lakhu, that is easy for digestion. And also there are certain other varieties which are considered as lakhu or easy for digestion. They are shikha janma, that is the grains which grows very quickly, and supya, that is mainly cotyledons, and nistusham, if the husk is removed, it also helps in lakhu or easy for digestion, and yuktir bharjitam, that is if the grains is properly fried, then that grain also become very easy for digestion. That's how we have done about Shimbidhanya today, and we'll be continuing the 6th chapter in the next videos. For more updates on Samhita, make sure you subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.